Ang ganda ng street nila. Equipped talaga siya. Nakakaligaw. As in, like, hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Buti hinabol niya ako. Sinabi niya sa akin. Chicago touchdown. Eating my lunch. Oh, is it lunch now? Yeah, I was waiting here. Hintay tayo ngayon sa boarding gate. Paikot-ikot lang yung eroplano up until 10:45 or 10:30. Finis ko siya. Sobrang tagal. Ihina ako. It's just sobrang hassle ng bawal ko umihi. I just really wanna go use the washroom to pee. Nakakatawa palalo yung boarding pass ko. Siyempre, punta ako dun sa hinukuan ng mga ticket. Tapos may sinabi sa akin na sa English lahat. Tapos, parang tinuturuan nga niya ako saan ako pupunta next. Yun, ganyan. Ako dun sa immigration ng Canada. Basta pumasok ka sa gate na yon, para siyang rabbit hole na hindi ka na makakabalik. Mali ako. Papunta dapat ako sa parang pre-clearance. TSA pre-clearance ng US. Kasi nga, layover ko nga sa Chicago. So, buti hinabol niya ako. Sinabi niya sa akin, you're going on the wrong direction. You're supposed to be going that way. Sabi ko, hala, nakakahiya as in. So, yun lang, kwento ko lang. Kung gaano ako ka-nervyosa itong umaga. Halatang newbie. Halatang di masyadong sumasakay ng aeroplano. Luz, diba? Sarap ng burger na ito. Mura pa siya. I just arrived at Haneda and don't underestimate their train. Hindi nakakaligaw. As in, like, hindi ko alam gagawin ko. So, apparently, I have to go to KQ Airport line. So, this one, platform 2, boarding at number 3. Manin Bridge is, so it's a 9-minute walk. Hopefully we can make it. I'm so tired. Let's go straight. Okay, just follow the people. Low key, hindi siya ganun kalamig. Anong temple kaya yan? Grabe yung kalsada nila. Sanang kasamata, like you're blind. Ang ganda ng street nila. Equipped talaga siya. Oh, this one. Welcome to Ginza nga pala. Wait. Okay. Ayan na siya. Hello. For Catalina. Here we go. How to road? You need the full one?
It's okay.
Okay. They don't? It's okay?
Yes.
Oh, okay, that happened.
Our housekeeping policy, we normally do towel change and garbage.
What? Oh, you can go in. Oh. There you go. Oh, that's how you do it. I didn't know. I didn't know that's how you do. Arigato gozaimasu. Medyo eng-eng tayo dun na. Itatap mo pala. Tsaka mo iaano. Tsaka mo pipindutin. Ano ba yan, Catalina? Okay. Lock. Lock. Room tour na agad. So, entrance. Lagay ng mga jacket. Okay. Full body. Maybe let's not put in our thing. Oh. Ano ba to? They have shoe. Okay. It's good. This is the washroom. Not bad. I wanna pay. Hello. Success! Nakasurvive tayo sa train. Oh my gosh. Another mirror, which I like. And then chair. Table. Safe key. What's this? Serve light. Puncher. Laundry bag. I have small fridge. I have this. Have this hair dryer. And I have my bedroom. Here. It's my bedroom. It's my bed. I think that's it. I have small TV. Actually, maluwag tong daanan, no? Diba? Most of the time na nakikita ko, masikip yung daanan eh. Ito, good siya sa akin kasi maluwag yung daanan niya. Na? Anong tingin niyo? Did a good job? Charot. Okay, bye. Mamaya na. Labas tayo mamaya. I think I need cash. They have ATM mo. Okay. Sabi ko pa nawawala credit card ko. Yung credit card ko pala nasa cellphone ko. I forgot na doon ko nilagay. I need... inumin. Probiotic. Eh, kitang Yakult nila. Ito ba yung pinapabili ni Angela? Hey. Arigato gozaimasu. Okay na. I think okay lang kahit saan ka pumunta. Ano yung sila yan? I need eyelash curler. Maybe they have. Let's see. Eyelash curler. Do you have eyelash curler?
Second floor.
balikan natin yung mga yan.
Arrange.
But do they have others? I don't like this. Nila? This one! Wow! This. I need this. I think that's it. I think I'm done. Yeah, we're done. Nahihilo na ako dito.
電までお越しください。
Ang sarap mga be. Jam. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong ginagawa ko.